Hi, Chem students. Happy Tuesday. It is April 21st. So this week is assessment week. All right. The review and your daily assignments really should be done before you do those assessments. Okay. So try to get those done ASAP. If you have questions on them, let me know. Um, so there's two forms of assessments. There's going to be the Flipgrid assessment, and then there's a one pager. The Flipgrid assessment, you are actually going to be doing one of the problems from the solutions unit. You are going to use the whiteboard function on Flipgrid, and you are going to explain how to do that problem um, orally via the Flipgrid. And so you'll have the problem up and then just explain what you are doing in each of those problems, or in that problem. What are the steps that you take? What's the first step? What's the second step? So on and so forth. Okay, so you want to make sure you do the problem right. You want to make sure you know how to explain it as well. So on Flipgrid, yes, before you can post them for the whole class to see, but I've set it up where you won't be able to do that. So I would have to go through and actually put them up on the board or the grid, and we're not going to do that. So it's just going to be me that sees them, and so that's the first thing that you are going to be doing, or one of the parts of the assessment. The other part is what's called a one pager, and you are going to be creating a document. You can use computer paper, notebook paper, whatever you want to use. Okay, and you're going each quadrant, so each part of the 4 parts of the paper are going to have different things that you are going to be doing within those. So there's a PowerPoint presentation, like a slideshow, that walks you through all the requirements, what I need to see in each one of those 4 parts for that assessment. There's a rubric on there and all that kind of stuff as well. When you are submitting that, if you happen to have more than one picture, I can't see more than one picture in Schoology. So you will need to put it into a Google Doc or a Google slideshow and then submit it in that um, assessment as well. Okay. So kind of just keep that in mind when you are doing that. Okay. When you are submitting that, I also need to make sure I can see the pictures. So go out in like the daylight and actually get the picture, make sure there's no shadow on it or anything like that. Okay. Um, so totally just got distracted because somebody was walking by my house and their dog just took a poop on my yard and they didn't clean it up. What is going on, people? All right, side note, sorry, totally distracted. So one pager, make sure you get that done. And that will be due, the 2 assessments are due by Sunday. The review and daily assignments are due by Friday. Okay, so we're done with our first unit. Hopefully it's gone okay. The other thing that I want you guys to think about is that, remember, everything is points-based this semester, okay? And so currently we're going to probably have about 280 points for this one unit, and we probably will have 2 more units. So we could end up with close to 800 points, okay? So when you guys just kind of keep that in mind, I get that you all want A's, and there's multiple of you guys that send me a bunch of emails, but are there other things that you like? If you're really, really stressing out about this, is there something else that's going on for multiple of you? Let me know. Because 2 points or 5 points isn't going to make or break you. Okay, so kind of just think about that a little bit. Is there other things that we need to be worried about? Is there something else and you're stressed out about chemistry? Let me know. I'm here to help you guys out too, and that's totally fine. And if there's other things that are going on, please let me know. Okay. So have a great day. It is going to be a little bit chillier out today, but it's not going to be as windy. So get outside and enjoy it. And if you need anything, please, please, please let me know.